wisdom and knowledge. Jesus comes to you as a full package. When Jesus avails himself to you, he comes as a full package. Healing, you're looking for healing, healing is in him. You're looking for wisdom, his name is wisdom. You're looking for understanding, his understanding. You're looking for health, his health is healing. You're looking for provision, his name is Jehovah Jireh. Whatever you're looking for is in him. So this young Israelite at the pool had missed out a gift because it came not the way he expected. You want truth, he says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. Some of us young men here, you are having issues, you are confused, you don't know what to take for your life. But I bring to this afternoon as the way. Some of us don't know that we are confused, don't know the truth. I bring it to Jesus as the truth. And some of us are looking for life. You think life is in vibing, life is in clubbing, life is in having a boyfriend, life is in having everything.